Hello! It's time for an assembly. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all good. We are going to do some warm-ups and then we're going to sing together. What we're going to sing today is a song that we know to start with. And it's a song we know well. And this is the song that when we all get back together, when we finally get back together in school, this is the song that we are going to sing first. This is number one on the list because this song is We Shall Overcome. So, first, before we sing, what do we need to do? We need to warm ourselves up. And we always warm up 3 things, as you're probably really bored of me always telling you. We're going to warm up our bodies, we're going to warm up our brains, and we're going to warm up our voices. So, bodies first. So, the first thing we're going to do, says the man sitting down, is stand up. Ah, we have a problem. One moment. Ta-da! Okay, so feet flat on the floor, a little bit apart, arms, doesn't matter what you do with them, if you drop them, they just fall here. Not like this, not like this, not like this, just definitely not like this. Just look, there they are. Put them here, relax, oh look, they fall. Put them like that, let go, oh they fall, very nice. So, good feet, good hands, head up, just relax. Okay, roll your shoulders. Oh, nice and loose. Other way. Nice and loose. Have a little stretch. Okay. I'm now magically sitting down, but it's best to stay standing because then you're just in your best possible position for breathing. But if you need to sit down, God, you've been working so hard. You know. Make sure you're on the front of your chair. Make sure your back is lovely and straight. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your head is just up and floaty and loose. Right, next warm up for our breathing. Here's your glass of water. It's a big glass, big pint glass. And you've been working really, really hard. And you're going to have a big drink. And like we always do, big open throat. So open that it's just silent like a yawn. You ready? Fill it up and... Nice. Another one. Good. Feel that cold water. Really imagine it coming right down your throat because that will mean that your throat's really wide and open. You're getting the most air possible into your lungs, which means that then you can get the most out when you sing. So one more. Fill it up. Oh, it's really hot. You're going to feel this really cold down your throat now. Here we go. Okay, next one. Face. We need our face nice and warmed up because if we're going to sing, we need to hear the words that you're actually saying. Tasty sweet. Here we go. It's very sticky. Really what you're... No, we've got a sweet in there. We're going to have another one. Let's have number 2. Ready? Oh. Well, the face. This is harder than PE with Joe. Shall we have a third one? Here we go. Now you've got sweets all over your teeth. So take your tongue and every surface of the teeth you're going to clean off. Back, front, side to side like this. All the way around. And one at the back. And what this is doing is really warming up your face and your tongue. Very good. Of course, now I've got to brush them. So. Big drink of water. Silently around your cheeks. Gargle. And one more time. Big drink. Good. Next warm up. Now I'm going to get a voice moving, give some high sounds, some low sounds, just really, really gently and floaty, just slowly extending the range. So make sure you're still in a lovely posture, whether you're standing or sitting. And here is our pet. This is a pet. So Some of you will know this warm up already. Say sing. Very good. I'm guessing you said it. Do say it. Now say, take the s off and say ing. Ing. And now take the I off and say It's a lovely open mouth sound. And this is your pet. And she's very, 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 very small and delicate. So your pet, you're going to hold her up and really, really gently. This is silly, I can't stay here. Like to be picked up like this. And put down. And just gently up and down, so softly. And see how every time, see if you can take her a little bit higher and a little bit lower. I'm going to go off the camera here. And how low can you go? Can you paint a picture with your in the air? Just softly. Be careful, she's so small. And then last of all, take your gentle and hold her out and good. I think we're ready for singing. So, time to actually do a little bit of singing. A little bit of a singing warm up. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. We know this, but if you've got a person doing it at home with you, it's time to laugh at them not being able to do it as well as you can. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's right, at the end we go 5, 1. Are you ready? Really nice and straight. Really moving your faces. Really smiley. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. Big breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. Say 5 like it makes you so happy. It's your favourite number. Every time you say 5, ooh, just gives you a little feeling inside. Ready, steady, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. Good. We're ready to sing We Shall Overcome. Here we go. Oh, singing needs water. You need water when you sing. Get some water. Have it ready. Drink it whenever you want. You don't need to ask to go and get a drink. This is great. Okay, we know this one. But as a reminder, we're going to do some amazing little bit of copying just to go through it one time. So I will sing it and you sing it back, please. I'm going to leave gaps for you. So the first bit goes, we shall overcome. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you sing it? It was good. You were amazing. You were wonderful. We do the same thing again. We shall overcome. Your go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the third time, it goes up and we go for a little walk and it's a bit longer. So we take that really good breath in and it goes, we shall overcome someday. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we walk up with an O and we go, oh, deep in my heart. It goes, oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. You'll go, oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. 1, 2. And then we go back to the first line. We shall overcome someday. It's quite low there at the end. You've got to be sitting up really straight. Nice open mouth like you're yawning. We shall overcome someday. You sing the last bit? 1, 2, 3, 4. So much. There's 2 more verses. The next one goes, we'll walk hand in hand, but then it's just the same. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. Then at the end you have to remember what you sung at the beginning of the verse, because it's not we shall overcome anymore, it's we'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand someday. Third verse, we normally do We Will Live in Peace, because we often sing this as a Black History Month song, because it's originally a song sort of associated with fighting against racism and fighting to make the world a better place. But we're really singing it now as a song that people sing that brings us together. So there's another verse that people sometimes sing, which is, we are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. So it goes, we are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. Wait there. Then you have to remember what verses you've sung, go back in time, and sort of go all the way back to the beginning. So we just sung We Are Not Afraid, so we'll sing that. And then before that, we sung We'll Walk Hand in Hand, so then we sing that. And then right back at the beginning, we sung We Shall Overcome. So then that will be our last one. We'll sing them all 3 together. So we'll go, we are not afraid, we'll walk hand in hand, we shall overcome someday. Does that make sense? Okay. Have your drink of water. Make sure you're nice and ready. Relaxed, standing or sitting really well. And we'll sing it all together. And also, because of technological magic, the words will appear about here. So you can sing along. Here we go, guys.